So let's see what exactly happens when you crack your knuckle. There is fluid in the joints and certain bubbles form and immediately collapse, and that collapse causes a popping sound which you hear when you crack your knuckles. Is it harmful, causing arthritis? The simple answer is no, it doesn't do that. However, repeatedly doing it causes a sense of fatigue and weakening of a grip may happen, but otherwise absolutely harmless. However, if it's associated with pain or swelling of the joints or sometimes locking, that's a kind of a scenario where you need to understand what's going wrong with the joint and you need a further consultation.